In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Airtable base for speed and performance. If your base feels sluggish or takes too long to load, these practical tweaks will help you get things running smoothly without changing how your team works day to day. First, open Airtable on your desktop and load the base you want to improve. It's easiest to evaluate performance when you're looking directly at the tables and views you use most. Keep an eye on how quickly views open and how long it takes calculations to update. Those are good signals of where to focus. Start by analyzing the size of each table. Check the total number of records and identify any tables with very high counts. Very large tables, think tens of thousands of records, can slow everything down. When it makes sense, break a giant table into smaller logical tables or archive old records into a separate base to keep the active one lean. Next, limit the fields you show in each view. Views with fewer visible fields load faster, especially when those fields include formulas, lookups, or attachments. Keep only the columns essential for your current task. You can always create additional views for different workflows if you need more detail. Remove fields you no longer use. Extra columns, particularly heavy formula or lookup fields, add processing overhead even if they're hidden. Before deleting, consider duplicating the base or taking a snapshot so you have a restore point. Then clear out what's obsolete and keep your schema tidy. Minimize linked records and rollups where you can. They're powerful but can be expensive at scale. Limit the number of links per table and simplify rollup formulas to only what you truly need. Around this point, use the link at the top of the description to open Airtable in your browser, or download the desktop app from the same link, so you can follow along and apply each change as we go. Now, optimize formulas. Simplify complex expressions, avoid deeply nested functions, and use helper fields to break long calculations into smaller steps. Reuse fields rather than repeating the same calculation in multiple places. Reduce automations by consolidating similar ones and triggering them only when necessary. Excess automations can slow down edits and record creation, especially when many run simultaneously. Use filtered views to show only the records you need right now. Narrowing the dataset reduces load time and keeps your workspace responsive. Finally, maintain your base. Periodically review table size, formulas, linked records, and automations. Applying these optimizations regularly preserves peak performance as your data grows. That's how you can optimize Airtable performance and keep your bases running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.